don't know.
You're good.
Am I too short for this? Am I just hugging
Get
you
closer.
with my
Just
head?
get
You know
closer.
what? You get hugged.
There you go. There you go. Rose! Wait, wait.
Slowing down. It's pretty low. I'm stuck. Oh my god, I'm stuck. Oh my god.
Holy shit! I'm gonna shit myself. That's... What the f... I'm here. All right. What?
You want some pizza?
Yeah.
Here, I'll share. And I'm currently sending you a slice of pizza in the mail.
All right, bet. It shouldn't be all moldy and gross by the time it gets here.
He's only a year young.
Yeah, today is boring. Nothing excitement is happening. Yeah, it's a chill, boring day. Isaac's back.
Also, here's excitement for you.
Hello, thank you for the follow, really appreciate it. Hopefully you enjoy the stream and enjoy your stay. Thank you for joining the family.
Also just ghost me for a couple days.
Hi chat, how's it going?
I love you, Art.
Don't look at your avatars. Don't look at your avatars, please. Give me like 20 minutes or please.
But I wanted to change. Okay.
I remember one of my hurts.
Toxic.
No, they're not. They want to hurt me.
Wait. Kitten.
Yeah.
They're
not trying to hurt you. They're trying to
Oh,
What the
bless
fuck
you.
was that?
Oh my
That
god,
felt like
that was so cute. Guys, tell Snow Bunny she's cute. Please tell Snow Bunny she's adorable.
You're adorable.
Snow
Drink water.
You're
Thank you,
adorable.
Armor.
Off, bitch.
Where did it go?
I'm adorkable.
I just had it.
I'll take that. I'm adorkable. Thank you.
Hey, guess what? Boop. 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 Get him! Attack him, Isaac!
Oh no!
Kitty Pump is
No! I'm being attacked! Oh god!
incredible.
No matter what you do, you can never please a woman.
Nope. Same idea.
Ah!
Bro, what the fuck?
Bro, it's called love and affection.
I didn't realize. I need you to answer a question here. What would
Me?
you consider love and
That's why I'm
affection?
a single parent.
Yeah.
Love and affection
all
is
the
showing
things.
the person that you care about
Sorry if that's a mutual-
love and affection. Like hugs,
Okay, any like
pats,
specific example?
hugs, pats,
Hugs.
caring about them,
cuddles,
being there when they need you.
Surprise visits nowadays.
Not physically, but mentally.
Love and affection is
Oh.
when you can't fart in front of someone
And
and not be grossed out.
I always hide. No, listen.
he would,
Listen.
Mine
I
are always
always hide
quiet.
under my homies' beds.
Ah, Drift.
I'm gonna put my money on Neko on this game.
Of course you are. You know, just because I suck at it doesn't mean I suck at it.
Hey, don't worry. I suck at it pretty good as well. I'm not good at it as well. So I don't know
There.
why I'm saying that.
See?
Bro, you missed the ball. Okay, I'm not gonna say that. Balls. Damn it! You gave me blue balls, lady.
I'm sorry. It's not my fault you got blue balls. I'm just adorable. Storm? What do you mean, Storm? Is there a storm coming, or is it storming?
Hello there.
I think there's a storm coming.
Where are you guys? I don't like storms.
Oh, great. Tornado
Oh,
watch. Oh, shit. That's going off my phone. Where does my phone go? Hang on. Sorry, guys. Sorry. I know. I got it.
That
Yep.
one.
National
Sorry.
Weather
Sorry,
Service.
Isaac.
Tornado warning in the area until 8:45 p.m. EDT. Take shelter now in a basement
Easy.
or... Oh, shit. Should we go
You're in
to a
Arizona?
basement, Anthony?
Oh, that's awesome.
I was scared. I don't want to die in VR.
Oh god.
Bruh, no!
It's
Actually-
okay. I'm here for you. I'm here for you.
Kitten, maybe end stream for now. Get things into the basement just to get ready.
I don't have a basement. I live in a tin can, motherfucker.
Oh, fuck, you're
Our
right.
basement would be our toilet.
Well, that's the safest place in the house to go.
Something.
It has no windows.
God, I
you
know
have
I'm
any
gonna be
pets?
fine, guys. It's okay. I'm just freaked out because I'm a skittish human being when it comes down to weather warnings shit.
It'll be okay. I went through 4 hurricanes. I saw a cow fly through the sky. Okay, you'll be all right.
I would recommend world volume to be at 60.
Alright,
Well, I guess this is the
Warning:
perfect
this world
time to see
okay.
a robot.
causes jump scares, loud noises, and plenty
of the unknown. I'm in the wall. You're in the wall, hun. I think everybody's in the wall. Alright, so you gotta choose a door. Figure out which one.
Oh! Nope.
It teleports you back.
Huh. Alright, somebody starts at the bottom, and I'll start at the beginning, or whatever. Alright, 1 and 2 is dud. Why are you laughing? Don't laugh. I don't like that. I don't like that. I hate my fucking life.
I'm sorry.
I fucking hate that.
That was gonna happen. I'm sorry. Wait.
Is it the last door? Bro, I'm scared. I don't want to enter it, bro. Bro, you try it. I've done other ones.
Screw it, I'm going in.
Oh,
Nope, it wasn't.
alright, is it 6? No. Try 7. It's 7. That's hot. You keep doing that, something's gonna happen. Something's gonna happen.
Wait, did somebody click?
I haven't clicked anything. There's nothing for me to click anyways.
You mean the bag? That says another?
Wait, there it is.
Oh!
I forgot to look at the road volume.
Fuck me. Fuck me.
And then, alright, then
What's that video?
click on the painting.
Oh, hey, a circus.
Oh, damn.
Feels nice to be out. Are you the ones that let me free?
Yes.
Thank you so much.
No, I didn't do it.
I've
She
been
did
chained
it.
up for so long.
She
Do
did it.
you
No
think we
problem,
could play a game? It's called Endless Torture.
Oh, did I scare you? No. Oh, okay then. Okay.
I'll see you there.
Okay.
I promise it'll be fun.
Thanks,
Hey,
little
go give her-
kid.
Go give her a hug. Go give her a hug. Hurry, she's gonna disappear. Go give her a hug.
No. No.
Damn it, she went away before I could give her a hug.
And then,
What the hell?
and then you can.
It's
get
just a
up here.
giant Barbie house.
Yeah, you know. It's...
Are we the dolls?
Oh. Yes, so. Up the stairs we go.
Oh, there she is. Is she singing?
Yeah, she is.
I like how we're like.
Bro. No. You stay back, bitch. Bentley, I'm scared. Hold me. Ma'am.
We're her
Ma'am.
Barbie dolls.
Ma'am. No. Ma'am.
Mommy?
Nani?
Thanks, your mommy, bitch. He's saying mommy.
I know, I heard. I'm just fucking around. Give her a high five, Bentley. Go give her a high five.
Yeah, go give her Okay, what do we do? Just pretty much just wait. I'm kidding, come on. I mean, this goes on for a while, but you can just press this to get out.
Up here, silly. Come find me.
Way up there.
Okay.
One eternity later.
I don't like it. There's a lot of walking. I'm fat, you know. There's a lot of walking for a fat person, you know. Where the fuck do we go from here? Oh. Why are there so many of these? I'm in the floor.
And there you go.
I'm sorry.
Oh.
I have to leave you so soon. My big sister is calling.
It's okay.
Oh?
Go have fun with your sister.
You don't know who she is?
No.
She's Lucy. I hope we can see each other again. I must go. Dolly. Bye-bye.
Hello everybody, how are you guys doing? Thank you so much for watching. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video, and I also stream on Twitch. Hopefully you guys don't mind and come checking me out sometime and whatnot. And don't forget to join the Discord. Everything will be in the description down below. Thank you all for watching and have a wonderful night. Mwah! It was nice meeting you,